Alright, I'm working on my 1/10 scale Losi Tenacity or Sand Desert truck. I'm not sure. I bought it used. The thing came with no electronics. I added my receiver, my speed controller. It's a Sidewinder 4 from Castle. Got a Castle motor on there too. With a 5mm shaft. That's something that I'm having trouble matching up the gears and all that with, but I'm new to electric and pinion and spurs and all that, so I'm trying to figure out how to get the right one. I think it's like mod 1 because it's a big shaft, but it's for its 1/10 scale, so we'll see. New tires on there. I forget what the name brands were. Don't know. Either way, they look good. It originally came with these smaller like Sand Desert wheels, but they're pretty small compared to the ones that I got now, so I'm excited because bigger wheels are better for the vehicle, I guess. Absorb the bumps. Came with these carbon fiber shock towers, pretty cool. I added these threaded housing shocks or aluminum shocks from, believe it or not, from another Losi chassis, an older one of the old graphite XXX models. I had the rear shocks. I put them on the front of this one actually. Seeing how it works. I'm not sure if it's gonna handle great, but I needed shocks because the ones that this thing came with were pretty whack. But yeah, looking forward to getting this thing out nice and pretty. Let's see, a couple other ones there. There goes the Losi 22 ST. My Armor Typhon up there.